Balang bulan na ning Marso pagmasasya niya ang National Women's Month. Ning makanining bulan, may gitsang gaganakan ng kontribusyon at panagula papel da rin kay babaynan kayong komunidad. Inya naman, kayong kampanya na ning City of San Fernando Water District para kayong pamagtipid danom, maragulya kumpiyansa iti kayong kapasidad da rin Fernandina amis sulong irresponsableng pamangamit danom. Anting partina muri ng Gender and Development Program ng CSFWD, misisulong lang miyaliw ang proyekto at inisyatibo ang makaparikil king water conservation lakwas ng yan panahon ang mapali ang pisasabyan ng El Nino.
Ating kaming kasing campaign for water conservation. We would like to empower women to manage water in their respective homes para conserve the use of water. Kasi nga, tapi sinabi mo, we will be having a shortage of water this time na El Nino. So, it emphasize me in water conservation, kareng households, ang kareng establishments.
Manibat ka rin maragula pisiben king lipunan, desisyon king pamilya at maging king simpleng pamagmando king pamangamit king danom at ilakano dapat boses din kay babaynan.
Women standing as beacons of hope and strength like our mayor. It emphasizes the need for inclusive decision-making processes that recognize the diverse perspectives and solutions women bring to the table. Baluta naman po. Deng inda, kareng pamilya, deng babay, kareng pibale-bale, ilaing talagang asabi tamong mangalaga keng katamong water resource. But also, we want to remind everyone that women should be included in all aspects of decision-making because women do not only belong to the homes, they belong to society and they are our new leaders.
Kilala la rin kay babay na madiskarte kayong pamibale-bale, lakwas kayong pisasabiyang pamagtipid. Uling ing mababang konsumo king danom, mga ituliran niya naman mas mababang water bill. Bistaman nakanubayo din kapamaralanan king water conservation, buri nila pamurin paganak Dr. Lourdes Javier, ang representative ng Water Sector Board, ding susulong ng tips ng makananong makapagtipid king danom.
Tampi panwasan da mong, di ba, paghugasan na bias, pwede dang panugtog tanaman. Itang pisabunan, pwede dang paglinis karel ang garahe o kaya kayong flooring. Itang at saka rin anak po tang mag-toothbrush la, nung pwede makabaso instead na tutuloy continuously in faucet. Ang po itang aliwang pigamitan danong pwedeng pag-flush ng toilet. No? So, dakala paralan para makapag-conserve ang water. And itapin, we continuously connect with women, uling ilang mag-manage kayong water conservation, kayong karelang pibale-bale, no?
Bangka ni talakos yung apas ikinangan ni pamagpakalat impormasyon dikil king water conservation, mamaya naman brochure ing water district karelang consumer, ang maglaman ng makananong makatipid king pamangamit danong. Ako, Inke Karin Talasuyo, Liana Canilaw, at yung pusong makabalin.